Conjunction. Let's pronounce the word conjunction. Conjunction. What are conjunction? Conjunction are words that join two or more words, phrases, or clauses. Words that connect other words or groups of words in a sentence. This is known as conjunction. The conjunction words we are going to see are and, but. The word and joins together. Tom has a dog and a cat. I need milk, butter, and bread. The conjunction word but. But shows difference. Let us see with an example. Tinu swam fast but couldn't win the game. Tom wants to play basketball, but Jerry wants to play cricket. Which word is the conjunction here? Their beaks and feet are good for climbing. The word and is the conjunction here. Most parrots live in jungles, but some live in grasslands. The word but is the conjunction here. He is hungry dash tired. He is hungry and tired. Ram is intelligent dash his sister is beautiful. Ram is intelligent and his sister is beautiful. She wants to do her homework dash she forgot what to do. She wants to do her homework but she forgot what to do. Which conjunction would you use? I am thirsty dash hungry. And I wanted to buy a book dash I did not have money. But the bus stopped dash the man got off. And the waiter was not very nice dash the food was delicious. But Joel did not have enough money for a burger dash a drink. And Siti brought an umbrella dash it did not rain. But Jane wanted to go home dash Peter asked her to stay. But thank you.